Hi bro. I have a stomach ache. Please drive it for a while.
Drive the forklift. I cannot drive it.
No difficulty. As long as you have hands, you can drive the forklift. Just don't let the boss see the car stop. You broke my forklift. You must pay my loss.
I just drove it for a while. How could it be broken? I got it. You want to blackmail me?
Come and see whether it is broken. Listen, whether it is being ringing. You broke it. Try it.
It did not have the sound when I drove it yesterday.
What is wrong with you?
Jolly forklift is broken, and he wants to blackmail me.
Are you the master? Right. I told you about the new water alarm. So you can use the water gun to add water when you see the reminder. The water gun adds it fast and steady and balances the fluid level. Last time you forgot to add water and almost cost the battery.
I got it. Last time I forgot it because I was busy.
You misunderstood Zhao Zhan. Apologize to him.